Guys, I wanted to tell you about these fantastic new crepe myrtles. They're called diamonds in the dark. The first thing you'll notice is the foliage. Look at the foliage colour. It's almost black. How fantastic is that going to look in your garden? The colour contrast, it is amazing. It's a bit Addams Family, I know. Check out the flowers, beautiful flowers all summer. They flower for up to 100 days. How good is that? The best news is they are so hardy. They are super tough. They only grow about 3 metres high, 3 metres wide, so they're the perfect small shade tree for today's courtyard sized gardens. Diamonds in the dark. They come in about 8 colours. At the moment we've got about 4 colours. We've got this beautiful magenta, we've got pure white, that is by far the most popular one. The white flowers with that dark black foliage absolutely looks spectacular. So if you want a fast growing shade tree for your suburban garden, very hard to beat crepe myrtles. And these diamonds in the dark crepe myrtles, they're even better. They're cheap as chips, $29.99. They grow so fast. Look at all this new growth. That's just happened this spring. So it's the sort of tree you plant, whooshka, before you know it, you've got a beautiful shade tree. Come and check them out. Buy someone one for Christmas. What a great Christmas present. A tree, it's going to give them shade, it's going to give them colour. It's going to make them happy, that's for sure. So come to Tim's Garden Centre, guys.